Hi, this is Reece from CreataCRM, and today I'm going to be showing you just the shopping cart view inside of Creator. So a lot of our clients have asked us, they want a nice view for they can see the products and services to display sometimes when they go on site, or something that is easily displayed and viewed for their actual users in the database. So for example, this is like a shopping cart view where you've got a view of the item itself, the actual image of it, and then on the left side you have a click through and it would filter out categories. For example, fly screen, and I'll show you all the fly screen category products in the categories. Now they do that because when you've got a guy on site and he wants to just take an order, sometimes he wants to show the product, and we have the ability to go to the product itself in here inside of the creator, or we can actually create another view where you can click on it and it shows a beautiful display like a website of the product with more information. So it's one of those things that some of our clients have will pay a bit of money for a presentational view, where we just thought we'd just had to ask a number of times to put it in. So let's go through and show you how it works. Now, on the left side, we have the categories of the product. So if you select on two panels, it will just display the two panels, single panel, single window, labor products in here, and it'll filter them out, fly screen, and so forth and so forth. Okay, now we're going to clear it out. You can also, if you've got a lot of categories, and some of our clients do have a lot of categories, you can just search out for windows and then filter them out from there. The next stage is that when you do that, the first screen will come up like select a customer. So for example, the client will be at the client side and they'll go Bondi, but they could be taking it on, taking it over the phone as well. Let's go Bondi development. So this will take the Bondi development. They have a price list, which is 10% off. So for example, the 1.5 dumpster is $270. But if you go to the product service itself, it will say $300. So this particular client gets his price list. So when you show the client either on site or online or just taking a phone call, you can see the price list as well. Again, this is totally customizable, so you can design the look and feel of this experience. But the key thing is you can just helps you with more information. So you have the ability also to search the product itself. So you can just go 1, 2, 3 like that, and that will bring up the products that you want to search for as well and look at them. The next thing you can do now, we're just going to clear that out, and we're going to choose for the Bondi, which gets 10% off. We're going to just click on some fly screens, and we're going to just add 2 of those. And you can have, because it's in the same category, you can group your products together in categories and display it. So this one is a fly screen for this particular window, and you can click on OK. Other things that I probably want to bring up is that when you do have certain products, you can have variations. For example, this is a variation of black on this particular product, and you can add a black dumpster basically on here with some fly screens as a window. So from that, you can then click on here, and that will create a quote. I'm just going to change the settings. Just bear with me for a second to make it probably make more sense to this video. So I've just changed it to make a sales order. So now I can create an order. So you're with the client and you've got the discounted price for that particular client and a nice customized view. You now can create that order and view that order and go from here. Now from there, you can then send that straight to Reckon or MYB or whatever you need to do, and you can click on this send to Reckon button, and that's it. You have done the order and go from there. So this is an internal shopping cart we can design for you, where you can bring categories, choose the actual client itself, and then select the products and then create the order from here. Hope that information helps you. If you have any question, let me know and we can happy to help you. Thanks, bye.